hope you guys are having a good morning so far. So I need to get up and get out of this bed. Today is going to be a pamper day. I am going to get my hair done and fix up myself, put myself together, and I'm also going to do my nails because your girl needs to get glammed up. So today's gonna be a glam day. I need one of those. I've been in bed for too long and I need to literally get up and get out of bed now. So I'm gonna get up, get shower, and get myself together. I don't know what I am doing or if I'm going anywhere, but a girl needs to get up and get out of this bed. This quarantine life just kind of have you down and just in the house, and there's just too much crazy things going on right now. So need to get up and get out of this bed and get myself together and just feel like myself. I woke up and I think I slept like bad and I messed up my neck. So I woke up and I feel like my giant lodge. Oh my gosh, my neck is killing me. So I am going to get up and yeah, I'm excited to put on my nails, get my nails done and stuff. And it's been a while, so definitely excited for that. Glammed up, so come and get glam with me, guys, as I get up and make this bed and get myself together. Up, I gotta get up. I got a few running around. I gotta go watch my hair. My hair's crazy. But I'm up. I'm about to go shower and get this day started. Like, it's literally bright outside and I'm just in here, which is not a good thing. I'm in my room laying down and blinds closed, everything. There's no sunlight in here, and that is not good for my mental health at the current moment. But there's nothing going on and I haven't had anything to vlog about because I haven't been doing much. I've just been taking some time to relax and still getting over being sick. But for those that have been asking, yes, I am feeling a whole lot better than I was, but I'm still weak, still tired, but much better than what I was doing the other day. So considering that you couldn't even move to get up out of the bed, I am in much better health. So I'm getting up now to go shower and, well, try and do something with this hair and get myself together. Yeah, so hubby's gone to work and, well, can't let my husband coming home see me like this, all blah. So I'm gonna get myself together and I'm probably gonna run out on the road, maybe go grab something, and yeah, so that I'm gonna get up and go do that, and I guess I'll bring you guys along with me. I don't think we're doing much, maybe just hanging out. Yeah, but I'll see what's up for later on today. People said away. This is why I was like, I wish I was back home. If I was back home, I wouldn't be so blah. I would have more energy and I could be getting a whole heap of stuff done that I need to do back home that I can't get done because I am stuck here in Canada. So it just seems like I have so much things on hold because I am stuck here and I can't get things done the way I need to get them done. And that, if you know, can be a little bit frustrating. So, but you know what? The brighter side is I just gotta do what I gotta do from this end, and when I touch the island, I just gotta get on top of my game and get what I need to get done down there. But who knows when we're gonna touch down. Well, I guess that will be something that y'all won't know until we actually touch down. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna go get myself together now. I'm gonna get myself together and then I will be back when I am in much brighter spirit. With that, I am all showered. It is time to go deal with this hair. So I'm going to go revamp this bad boy, and yeah, I'm gonna finish get myself together. And I got my tea. My tea is still hot, so I'm gonna go have some of my ginger tea. Oh my goodness. Let me know what type of ginger tea you guys use. I've been using the tea bags, but even the tea bags I found that I brought from Jamaica up here, they are not working as good anymore as before. They seem to die down. So the potent that was in it, the strongness, it's not working. And I need to find some good ginger. Still having a hard time finding good ginger, so that is a problem. But let's go revamp this hair and look like somebody's child. All right, so my hair is almost done, eyebrows is done, and yes, the hair is also switched up. So I will be back in a sec when I'm just gonna get my hair done up and come back and show you guys what it looks like. Here is the look. I am all well glammed up, didn't do that much, just did my eyebrows. So I'm going to get myself together, and hubby is here. I will actually, yeah, hubby was helping me to get my feet done, so I will insert that clip right here so you guys can see. So I was getting dressed, and so if you mess up my toe, me go fight today now. Make sure you do it as good as I do the other one. Where's there you go? Open up nail salon. Hey babes. Come, let me open up the nail salon.
Come on, please.
Hello.
Hello, me.
If you spoil them, you know.
Wipe you off.
So this is what happens during quarantine when you can't go get your toes done. You have your hubby do it for you. What did I do? I may do it or you do it. But that's the first coat. You could put on the second coat. Here, you want to put the second coat on these ones? Mario, pause the name dry. Excuse you?
I'm going to put on the pan, you know, you see how I do it.
What? No. You think me have nail polish for waist? Eh? Oh, my baby. Come home from work and he's helping me get pampered. What a sweetheart.
No, but can I make you take this, sir?
Yeah, that's to say I need a new one. You can't buy me one?
You please?
You can't buy me one?
No, I'm buy you two.
Where is it?
I'll buy you more than one.
You could buy me more than one? Ray. Where is it? We got store just now. Eh? Eh, babes? We're going to store just now. You go buy me more than one. Let me see if you do a good job.
Hello.
You not get through.
Every move you move,
So yeah, say I blame you every move you poorly. You better make sure the intern good.
I know say you can go they'll take go do earlier, I don't know, you know.
Why not?
Don't move up and down so much.
Why not?
Because it's again. Give me worry up and not sit up.
Where you worry about not sit up?
You call me a day.
Me want design pan it too.
You not say to me.
Hello.
What do you want to say,
If no, me want it on my big toe. If I was at the nail tech, they would have done design on it.
Hold
Really? And look, so cut the hair, going for something new. Feel like switching it up. So, sorry for the darkness. Yay! So that is what I am here doing. Not much. And yeah, so that is what your girl is here doing. So doing a little bit of glam, trying to get myself together. Snuckums. So he just not too long got home. He say hello. Oh gosh. So yeah, we're about to go get ready now to head out on the road. because I need to go get something. So I need him to go get ready, and so we can go on the road. So yeah, I guess catch y'all when they're. I just got my nails done, yay! So yes, I'm feeling nice and glam. Toes on fleek, nails on fleek, and the hair on fleek. All right, and I said I was gonna leave. So I have not left the house as yet, and thanks to my tool nail tech, my hubby and my daughter, for helping me to get glammed up today. So I'm still waiting for Mr. Williams here to go take a shower so we can get out of here. Right, Mr. Williams?
Wrong.
Right. What do you mean wrong? You're not gonna go shower.
Mario.
What?
So yes, I'm just waiting for him. But what do you guys think of the color? This is the first time I'm trying this color. So it goes from light to dark, and I love it. What do you guys think? Yes. So, and the toes, let me show you guys. Hello. So the toes are finished. Yes, so the toes are finished. So I'm just, you think of the new cuts? Do you guys like it? So yes, I don't know, I think I'm gonna change and maybe put on something different, but or maybe I'll just rock in this for now. But I think I'm gonna maybe put on something different so I could go take some pics for the gram, and yes, get myself together. So we are finally, move your chicken, Jess. So we are finally dressed. Oh my gosh, you see how long we're supposed to be gone? Mr. Williams is taking forever, but now we are finally ready to go. So we are heading out. Williams is making noise. He says I'm running late. But I'm not running late, he's running late, because last time, no, well, outside patiently waiting. Patiently, I mean, patiently. Oh, for something to say. Okay. Woo! Alright, so we are finally heading out. Waiting on Mr. Williams this time. It's really not me. What do you mean, really now? Yes, it was you. You know, from when I told him to go bed?
Don't do it.
From when I told him to go shower.
I said, don't do it.
What do you mean, don't do it? Me doing it, me doing it. I'm a lie. What? Mario, when me tried to come in the bathroom.
Shanika, me sit down there in the bed and wait for you. Your feet, you're gonna car already? I'm sit down in the bed and wait for you. And then I come downstairs again and sit down and wait in the car for you.
Hello.
Hello, me.
And
what is someone that drive say? I stunt driver.
It looks oh my goodness. Don't make it seem so bad.
He bad.
No bad, you know, so bad. Oh my gosh. Well, I was waiting on him because he didn't go in the shower. But then when I tried to go in the bathroom, because I had to, you know, spruce up, touch up my face a little, I couldn't get to go in the bathroom. So technically, the only reason why he had to come out of the bathroom and wait on me was because I ended up waiting on him. Hello, but my makeup bag is in the upstairs bathroom. You see what I have to put up with, ladies?
You see what I have to put up with, gentlemen?
Oh, you love putting up with me. Wait, me, yeah, right. If you didn't love put up with me, you wouldn't have married me, right? All right, that was the nice. Look at it. These ones are for cross strips. Very nice. And they, you know, they have the walkout basement too. You know those ones? They're really nice. Yeah. So it's actually a nice day, and I'm glad to be out. Finally got glammed up. You know, new hairdo, nails done, feet done, on fleek. Finally. Oh my gosh. And Memphis, like, I don't even know what the hell they do.
Stop saying that, so.
Really?
Me never come and say it and stop.
Really, Mario?
Never. I just put them up.
Maybe,
man.
yeah, because they're putting a crosswalk here. They put it up
They
new.
just
Yeah,
put it up.
they just put it up. That's too funny. I was
me never
really?
come around here and say yet and stop. I want stop sign.
Oh
never
my
see.
goodness. So, Yeah, so we're actually finally out now enjoying the weather. Yeah, because it's a family. There's a lot of kids, you know, the field, everything. And they're always on the road too. They're riding their bikes. See, this one's new. See, they just put the sign and stuff on there, so.
Just do it.
Well, that's good though, but they need more stuff like that, especially in areas like this, residential areas. They need them. So, but yeah, so we are finally out, and well, I'm hoping that we will get the other video done for you today. Yeah, so I forgot to come back and tell you guys that we're home. We were just dealing with some business and stuff like that. That is why we didn't come back. Our meeting just finished. And we're just having dinner, and it is so late right now. So what we have is some leftover fried dumpling and liver. That is what we are eating. We are chefs up, Mario mash up with some tea. And I'm having my tea, but I'm having my tea in here. So that's what I'm having for dinner. But yeah, I just came back to say that's all that we are doing, and I hope you guys like this vlog. I know it's short, but short and sweet and to the point. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we will catch you in the next one. We're going to go finish our meal. Stay blessed.
Stay blessed.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.